Inspections, audits, maintenance, and QA are scattered across different systems, leading to disconnected tools and processes that cause delays, gaps, blind spots, and lead to real risks. VLX brings it all together, fast, structured, and built for the field, all in one seamless platform. Your single source of truth, speed, structure, and trust. Start with no-code templates tailored to your workflow. Capture photos, videos, and notes in one smooth flow. Everything is geotagged, timestamped, and user-verified. Sync and share with no rework and no guesswork. What's done in the field stands up to review, mobile optimized, offline capable, and ready for the real world. Generate branded reports with Keepit, our AI cross-check that detects fraud, tampering, and unauthorized edits, ensuring every inspection is validated with accuracy and trust. Built for any team and mission-critical operations, solving real operational challenges across industries. Efficient, field-ready, trust-enabling. Lead your industry with better processes. Start streamlining with VLX today.